In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead generation for commercial real estate. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the website Strategies to Generate Commercial Real Estate Leads, where you can find various tips and resources. Understanding who your target audience is in the commercial real estate realm is essential. These are individuals or businesses looking for office spaces, retail locations, or industrial properties. Recognizing their preferences and needs is a foundational step in crafting your lead generation strategy. To start finding leads, it's crucial to build a targeted contact list. This list should include potential clients, investors, or partners interested in commercial spaces. Keeping this list updated and segmented can significantly boost your interactions. Monitoring tenant movements and expansions is another key aspect. Keep an eye out for businesses planning to move or expand. These are prime opportunities for engaging with prospective leads. Partnering with local businesses and service providers can open up new avenues for lead generation. These partners can refer clients to you and vice versa, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. An often overlooked strategy is leveraging property auctions. Participating in auctions can not only provide opportunities to purchase properties, but also interact with motivated buyers, sellers, and realtors. Next, consider the advantages of SEO and website optimization. By improving your search engine rankings, you ensure that your commercial properties are easily discoverable by potential leads searching online. Alongside SEO, improve your lead capture with engaging content. Create informative blogs, videos, and infographics that showcase your expertise in commercial real estate. This engagement can build trust and attract prospective clients. Social media platforms are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Regularly post updates, share industry news, and interact with your followers to stay top of mind. Additionally, utilize PPC, pay-per-click, and social media ads for targeted lead generation. These ads can be tailored to reach your specific demographic, increasing the chances of finding interested parties. Leverage real estate listing platforms to showcase your properties effectively. These platforms are frequented by serious buyers and sellers, making them ideal for generating leads. Hosting and participating in networking events is another effective method. Events offer face-to-face interaction with potential clients, providing a personal touch that is often more compelling than digital communication. Joining real estate associations and groups can expand your network and increase your visibility in the industry. Membership often provides access to exclusive resources and networking opportunities. Engage with local community groups to build trust and recognition in the area. Hosting educational workshops is an excellent way to showcase your expertise, offering value to attendees and subtly promoting your services. Participating in community service can enhance your company's image and establish your firm as a supportive and active member of the local community. Attend trade shows and conferences to keep up with industry trends and meet potential clients. Crowdfunding sites can be used to find small businesses and startups that may need commercial space as they grow. Finally, integrate gated content like white papers and guides on your website to capture leads' contact information. Implementing a dedicated real estate CRM like Sell can streamline your lead management process. With features designed specifically for real estate professionals, CRMs help you track interactions, manage your pipeline, and optimize your efficiency. By following these strategies and leveraging the tools and resources available, you'll be well on your way to successfully generating leads in commercial real estate. Thank you for watching and happy lead generating.